Hi and welcome. Today we're making Tunisian Tajine. It's very easy and simple. Let's start with the recipe. Enjoy. You need for this you need a chicken. You can use any leftover chicken like rotisserie chicken, or you can just take a breast chicken and cook that. And I have onions with it too. I have a little butter. We need a little butter, like maybe a tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna try to melt it. And then we need 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use any oil you like. Try not to use olive oil, but otherwise you can use any oil. So we're gonna just mix them a little bit like that, and we're just gonna add the onions, like a half an onion I have in there, and chicken. This is like a rotisserie chicken for me. I got leftover chicken, so I'm making it to tagine. If you don't have that, you can take a breast of chicken and just cook that. And now we're gonna season it. Just gonna mix like that. I'm adding a teaspoon of turmeric over there. Adding coriander powder. Garlic powder. And salt. And a little bit of water. Just to make it like a little sauce to it. We're just gonna keep mixing it like that together. Because over here, like I said, I have a rotisserie chicken, so it's ready cooked. For you, you're gonna do the same thing if you're gonna have a rolled chicken. So you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna put the onion, the chicken cubes. You're gonna cut them to cubes for the seasoning. You're gonna put salt, coriander powder, turmeric, and garlic, and you're just gonna let them cook. And half an onions. So just you're gonna let them cook like I said. Now I have all the mixes cooked. I'm just gonna add all the ingredients. So I'm gonna add some parsley. I have a parsley over there. Over here you can use any cheese you like. I have cream cheese in there. You can use a Laughing Cow if you want. And I have Parmesan cheese. This is optional if you want cheese. If not, you can leave it out. And you can use any cheese you want. For the eggs, I'm not gonna crack the eggs right now because it's still hot. So I'm gonna leave it on the side until it cools down a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the eggs. Over here, we're just gonna take any tray you have, square, round, whatever you have. We're gonna put some butter on it. Make sure it's all coated with butter. All the edges and the top, the bottom. It's all coated so it doesn't stick. And over here I bought, you can use the one I make at home, the pastry, Brik pastry. You can use that if you don't have this. If you can buy this, you can use it like I did. You buy from the supermarket or Middle Eastern store, something like that. It's Tunisian pastry. It's ready made. Or if you don't have that, I will put the link for the one I made at home. You can use that. It will work the same thing. So you're gonna put one sheet, and each sheet you're gonna brush it with butter and oil. Yeah, so just brushing it like you're making baklava. So each sheet you make sure you all brush it with the oil. Inside, outside. And then you see how I put the first one halfway, and now I'm gonna put the other half with another sheet, and I'm gonna do the same thing. You just fold it over like that. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna brush it with oil. So you have one sheet on the left side, one sheet on the other side, and I'm gonna put one in the middle. Okay, now we're gonna put one in the middle like I said, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna brush it with the oil and the butter. I wanted to clear something out in here. If you wanted to use only butter, you can. If you wanted to use only oil, you can. Or you can do it the way I did it, half oil, half butter. It's better to use just butter and oil. It's better like that, so it doesn't get too strong. But like I said, so it's up to you. Now we're gonna put on that on the side, and we're gonna bring the mixture. So over here we're gonna start with two eggs. The mixture is not supposed to be too runny, so we're just gonna start with 2 eggs and see how it goes. And then if you need another one, we're just gonna add another one. So I'm gonna mix it and see how it looks. And you don't want it to be too thick either, so see how it looks like that. I'm gonna add another egg because I feel like it's a little thick. The eggs, the one I used, it's a large size. So if you have small, maybe you do 5. If you have medium, maybe do 4. So like I said, the one I have, it's large size, so 3 is good. See how it looks like that. Over here I use the chicken. You can use if you want ground beef, if you like. It's up to you. I mean, you can try with ground beef. It would work the same thing. See, now we're gonna fold over the edges like that to cover the just gonna brush it again. So we're just gonna like that, fold it over, cover the mixture. and brush it with the butter and the oil. Now we're gonna take one and cover it from the top and tuck it in. Try to tuck it in under. That's how it looks. You just tuck it in. It's okay if it's not really perfect, it's okay. Because you got the oil and the butter, so they're all gonna stick together. And then brush it with whatever you have left over the butter. Over here I'm just checking to make sure it's all tucked in. And that's it. So just gonna cover it like that. You're gonna bake it at 350 for 20 minutes and keep checking it until it turns to golden brown. You will know that it's cooked. And that's it. 350 at 20 minutes. And this is after it's cooked. Take a look on like golden brown. I hope you like this recipe. So like I said, it's very easy. It has like a little step to it, but it's very easy and simple. So I hope you'll try it and enjoy it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.